Today, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple cells into one cell in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with data that's split across different columns, like first names and last names, and you want to merge them together into a single unified format. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your workspace so you can access all your files and spreadsheets without any issues. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. This is where all your documents, spreadsheets, and other files are stored. From here, simply locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to combine multiple cells into one. For instance, if you have a customer list or employee roster where names are separated, that's the file you'll want to open. Now, let's say you have a spreadsheet with two columns, one for first names and another for last names, and you want to combine them into a full name column. This is a very common scenario, and the process is straightforward. Click on the cell where you want your combined data to appear. This will be the first cell in your new full name column. In that cell, type an equals sign. This tells Google Sheets that you're about to enter a formula. Next, click on the cell that contains the first name data. You'll notice the cell reference appears in your formula bar. Now, type an ampersand symbol. The ampersand is the key to combining or concatenating text in Google Sheets. Here's where it gets a bit more detailed. After the ampersand, you'll need to add an opening quotation mark, then a single space, and then a closing quotation mark. This step is crucial because it adds a space between the first name and last name when they're combined. Without this, your names would run together without any separation, which wouldn't look right at all. After adding the space in quotation marks, type another ampersand. Then click on the cell that contains the last name data. Your formula should now reference both the first name and last name cells with a space in between them. This formula essentially tells Google Sheets to take the first name, add a space, and then add the last name. Once you've completed the formula, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. You'll immediately see the combined result appear in the cell, but you're not done yet. If you have multiple rows of data that need the same treatment, there's a quick way to apply this formula to all of them. Click on the cell with your formula, and you'll notice a small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag that square down to the bottom of your data range. This will copy the formula to all the cells below, automatically adjusting the cell references for each row. And there you have it. You've successfully combined multiple cells into one in Google Sheets, creating a clean, unified column of full names from separate first and last name entries. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.